If you are struggling to block sensitive content on Instagram, in this video I will be showing you the fastest way to do that. But make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all, open up Instagram app on your phone. You can follow the exact same steps if you are on an iPhone, Android, or a Instagram.com. Then you'll have to tap on your profile on the bottom right corner, and you'll be taken to your Instagram profile. Now you'll have to tap on those three lines on the top right corner to head over to the settings of your Instagram account. Then scroll down all the way until you find an option of content preferences in what you see section. You'll have to tap on content preferences, and after that you'll be able to find an option of sensitive content. You'll have to tap on it, and then by default it will be selected to standard or more. But if you want to block sensitive content at least 99 or 95%, you'll have to tap on less and then hit confirm, and it will block try to filter out all the sensitive content on Instagram. If this help you out, hit that subscribe button, it really supports the channel, and comment below if you got stuck anywhere. I will definitely help you out.